Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn something super cool called the consumption-based model. Don't worry, it sounds big, but it's actually very simple. Let's imagine you go to a juice shop. You don't pay for the whole shop, right? You only pay for the juice you drink. If you drink 1 glass, you pay for 1 glass. If you drink 3 glasses, you pay for 3 glasses. That's exactly how the consumption-based model works. In cloud computing, like Microsoft Azure, you don't buy big computers forever. You only pay for how much computer power you use, how much storage you use, how long you use it. If you use it more, you pay more. If you use it less, you pay less. It's just like renting a bicycle. You pay only for the time you ride the bike. When you stop riding, you stop paying. Cloud works the same way. So remember, consumption-based model equals pay only for what you use. That was your 1-minute dose of cloud learning. See you in the next video.